It's extremely exciting, and I'm very, very thrilled to stand here on behalf of IKEA Indonesia to welcome you all to this fantastic and amazing opening of the first IKEA store in Surabaya. And we have a commitment to make a better everyday life for the many people. And a big token of that commitment is to be accessible. So for us, it's very special to open up the first store in IKEA in Surabaya.
Ketika IKEA hadir, bisa memberikan warna di kota Surabaya. Ketika IKEA hadir, memberikan sesuatu perbedaan di kota Surabaya. Dan ketika IKEA hadir, menggerakkan UMKM-nya kota Surabaya.
The opening of IKEA stores really constitutes true friendship and true long-term partnerships. And I really look forward following the journey of IKEA in Indonesia, of course, our relationship and cooperation with Surabaya.